Let's go.
Once upon a time, we share the stories of old. Bring the book to life in a way never told. Let's go for a ride, never let go. Fresh fairy tales, the top of the show. Fresh fairy tales.
Let's go.
All right, listen up. We're telling a story. A legendary tale of beauty.
Beauty?
Betrayal.
Betrayal?
And one questionable Hamo Eats delivery.
Wait, does this have dragons?
How many dragons you see in the islands? Are we ready?
We're ready.
Sup, Miss Glams? Back for your daily Ferris check?
Proceed to tell me of my magnificence.
Slay, you are indeed the fairest in all the land. Oh, recalibrating. Slight adjustment detected.
What do you mean? Adjustment.
New ranking confirmed. Snoana is now officially the fairest in the land.
Well, that can't be right.
It can be right, because I am never wrong.
What?
But you're still second place. Whoop-de-doo. Such a wonderful achievement.
Second place is just first place for losers!
Everything okay, boss?
I have just discovered that I am the second best looking in the land. But other than that, too, I'm thriving. I'm thriving.
Whoa! These things are expensive.
That coconut-fed, barefoot village girl. I mean her. Over me. I mean with those discount cheekbones, that second-hand glow.
Ooh. She is the fakest. Oh, absolutely fake. Fakest.
Fix it.
Fix it how, exactly?
Turn her into a monkey. Put whipped cream in her makeup. I don't care. Just make sure she never looks better than me again.
So ugly enough not to be prettier than you?
Ugly? Like those wrinkled stumps you call toes.
No way.
Oh, come on. I gave them a trim with the chainsaw just last week.
Take the glow off her face and do it quickly.
One side of ugly coming right up.
Tupo, come on, be the bigger person. Tupo.
Maybe if I shave my eyebrows, people will stop staring at me. What do you think, Mr. Ant? Hi, Snoana! If only my life was that simple.
Morning, Snoana. Looking earthy today.
What do you want?
Just passing by on my way to the orphanage. Gonna pick up the rent.
Why are you so mean? This is why the village people don't like you and your boss. It wouldn't hurt to be nice every once in a while.
Ooh, this looks good. Oh, and it smells good too.
Stop.
Yep. Makes them nice and soft.
Ambulance! Please, help!
What's wrong?
I think I see my ancestors! Maui! Is that it?
Relax. It's all natural ingredients. Whale poo, chicken poo, pig intestines, and turmeric.
I think I'm gonna die! Ah! Oh no! More powder!
Are you okay? What's the white stuff?
I hate you!
In a strange way, you look better. Ugly, but better.
It's like she's protected by the gods. Everything I try or do is straight fail.
Useless. Absolutely useless. You had one job. Fine. If I can't break her, I'll make sure she destroys herself.
That smells good.
This isn't just any coco Samoa cake. It's infused with a special ingredient. One bite, and Snoana will drop like a sack of taro.
But how do we make her eat it?
That's the easy part.
You look like one of those aunties at Polyfest.
Want to play games with me, little girl? Let's play.
I'm just a poor old woman looking to spread some kindness.
Hello, Auntie. Wow, what big glasses you have.
All the better to see you fall into an eternal slumber with my dear.
Pardon?
I said all the better to see you dance with. You're gonna be dancing when you try this cake.
OMG. The free cake from Hummel Eats.
Oh my god! Oh my god! No, I'll have half and you can have both a quarter.
Just a sweet treat for a young working girl like yourself.
I mean, if it's free, it'd be rude to say no.
Don't do it! Don't down! Put it down! Put it down now!
Sweet dreams, princess.
For 2 years, Snoana slept. No one could wake her.
She hit the ground. Sweet dreams, Snoana, you are spellbound. 1 bite, 2 bites, now she's asleep. Her breath still smells mischievous to me.
Who is the hottest of them all?
You are.
Yes, I am. Ah, you give me life. Darling, you need more than life. A facelift is what you need.
You're in a good mood, boss.
Well, why shouldn't I be? I am the fairest in the land.
If beauty had a name, it would be Fear Glam. Mirror, mirror, kiss my hand. Am I still the fairest in the land?
Updating results. Un momento, por favor.
What's this?
And just like that, it wasn't magic or a prince or essential oils. It was the ants.
No prince, no kiss.
No cursed romance.
Just the humble power
Of hungry ants.
Okay. This is the last of the cocoa sabo cake. Whew.
Oh well.
Why did I dream of ants?
Get my good side.
Update complete. New fairest identified.
Go ahead. Make my day.
Snoana. Snoana. Snoana.
What?
Also, your followers have dropped 96%.
What?
Minus aura. Your face filter has expired.
I was the vibe!
She's gone viral again. Even the ants have a fan page.
No, just take me back to the factory.